This video, I'm going to go over this small little ratcheting screwdriver set. This is a 40-in-1 set, actually, and this is the box I got it in right here. Here's all of the different types of bit sizes. They've got H1.5 all the way up to an H8, just so you know. And then the T, which is those star heads, those goes from a T5 to a T40H, and a PZ1 up to a PZ3, which is like a type of Phillips head, and a Phillips 0 all the way to a Phillips 3, SL3 to a SL6, and an SQ2S and a Y2 U6 long bits. You know what? Let me just show you what you get with this thing. Now, I've already taken it out and kind of looked over it. Nice little carrying case with this. I like that. Here's all of the setup right here. You can see how they have them all labeled just like this. This is a very handy set. I've been needing a set like this for a while. This is a magnetic T-type grip. So the way these work, they rotate. So if I'm taking it on, if I'm putting it on, see how it's ratcheted like that? Then I want to go to the other side, pull it off, go right back on. Now I can take it off. That's two different ways of using it right there. Now let's go ahead. Let's put the Phillips on here. Let me just show you how this works. You see how that's a magnetic fit? Just locks in there. There's a little bit of lock down in there. And you can see you've got the power grip. It's got high torque, compact ratchet. It's got a long ratchet. So you can also go like this. You see how you could turn it into a longer ratchet, or you could do it like this and have it, let's say I can only access a little spot. Look at that little tiny guy right there. So very neat on that. Or you can do it as a full-on half torque. So if I want to get more torque on it, you see that? So I could really like torque it down like that. Right now, I'm going to use it as a T-grip. I really like the way you can versatile of this. Let me move it over here. So you see this screw right here? So I have a screw right here that's really tough to get on and off. Now watch that. This ratchet works great for this guy. Now see how that went on there? So now you're like, oh, well, I want to tighten it up. Flip this over. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to tighten it up. Wow, that is super tight. Now see, I can grab it with both hands. Now it is a Phillips head, so I can't do too good on it. I can't get too much bite on it. But there it is. That worked out great. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. Let's go ahead. Let's see right up here on this arm is a bit, which I think is this one right here. So we've got, you guys see that? So I want to adjust that. I'll pull that off. Go to this. Now, we've just tightened up my camera arm right there. I've been wanting to tighten that up. I just hadn't had the right tool to do it. Yeah, this is such a great little kit. I definitely will be using this amongst my travels on just like tinkering around on things and getting like these small projects taken care of when you want to kind of have just something small and light duty where you could really put a lot of torque on your Phillips bit or your kind of Allen head. These are these security type bits too. I really like having those. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 40-in-1, torque screwdriver ratchet. See you on the next video.